Hey guys, it's Raleigh, and I should probably take this off real quick. But I just wanted to show you a little about Idle Empire today, and specifically that it's legit and you can withdraw. But it's not a faucet site, but it has a lot of features faucet sites use. So it has the surveys, and it gives selection. Offer walls, it has quite a few that you can do offers or play games. Or there's a page I'm going to get to. Offers are just straight offers, and you get redeemed for doing them. Videos, they used to have Loot TV on here too, but now it looks like it's just Hideout. I can still use my Loot TV, so that might be on. Actually, it is probably one of the offer walls, and then Lootably. Go to Lootably, and then you go to Loot TV to be able to watch those ones and get credits for them. Referrals, they have a 20% referral bonus for all surveys and offer walls, I believe. So if you can get your friends aboard, rad on. Should have clicked it. And everybody that signs up through your link gets 500 coins. You earn 50. So it's kind of a nice little gift to get them started. It's not much, but hey, most of these sites do not make the money you see in those crazy ads. So I'll copy my referral link in case you want that 500 coins and to start dabbling around here. And promotions are just like leaving reviews, making a video like this, or whatever they want or whatever they're requesting. So what I was getting to is withdrawal, and I like to withdraw Litecoin just because the gas is cheap. Stellar, yeah, I haven't really messed with them too much. I bought them or shorted them, but don't know too much about them. So I go with Litecoin just because it's cheaper sending out of Coinbase, which is where it'll take you. So I just got 1,000 coins real quick. I just tried to make a video with 10,000, which would be $1 instead of 10 cents. But let's take out my 10 cents to Coinbase. Pause it for a second, put in my email. And once you've put in your Coinbase email, you can confirm. Boom, it'll be put on hold, and it's usually released within like I'd say 7 or 8 hours, because I'll do it before I go to bed or sometime during the day when I'm busy, and all of a sudden I get the alert on my phone. So yeah, then you can go to withdraw more, and it won't make you type in your email again if you had more. Let's say 3,000, you want to do 30 cents, just do it 3 times in a row. And I'll put it up here in the pending tab or notification. Dang, because you keeps double clicking everything. But I just made a withdrawal 14 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, and it's put on hold, then completed rather quickly. So as you can see, let's go to withdraw, and then there's a history button somewhere. Either way, I've taken a lot from here, and it's totally legit. I get it in my Coinbase every time. I don't think I've ever had one issue with these guys, so I don't mind sharing this with y'all, and I hope somebody finds it useful, or any of you do, or you find something you don't like about it and it helps out somehow. So have a good day.